I'm going to be talking about emotionally focused individual therapy. Most people know about EFT for couples. It's kind of the gold standard for couples therapy now. I'm very proud when I say that. But people don't know so much about us doing EFIT, emotionally focused individual therapy. And I'm going to be talking about EFIT in terms of the very special attachment orientation that we have, which means how we honor the relationship between the client and the therapist, how we create safe haven, how we lead and follow with the client, and how we know how to lead. After all our research and all our articles, we know how to lead people pretty consistently, predictably, and with precision into change events that change depression, anxiety, and allow them to go into what we call identity dramas, where they can look again at how they've defined themselves. So that's what I'm going to be talking about. And I'm very passionate about what I do. And I hope you'll join me and learn how we work with emotion in a particular way, connect with people, see people in a particular way, connect with them in a particular way, and lead them in and through the pain that they've brought them to therapy.